Hello Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana ba'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Scorpio. Po na mensahe po ninyo ay be a beacon, be an inspiration, light the way for others. Ayan, Scorpio, napakaganda ng inyong mission sa ngayon. This is you being called to be a beacon for others, to be an inspiration for others, to be the light for others. So, parang ano ito ngayon, ito yung purpose ninyo sa ngayon, no? Scorpio, so this is really beautiful. Maaring kayo ay isang spiritual guide, spiritual mentor, siguro spiritual person kayo, Scorpio. You could be a healer, you could be a motivational speaker, along those lines siguro ang ginagawa ninyo sa ngayon or yung gagawin ninyo. So this is really beautiful. We have full of Christ light, open your heart, spread unconditional love. Ayan, yung pagmamahal ninyo, yung unconditional love ninyo is will be on display at this time as well, no? At gagawin ninyo ito magiging paraan ninyo para maipakita ninyo, maiparamdam ninyo yung inyong unconditional love for others. Kasi parang uunahin ninyo dito, no? Yung ibang tao, parang other people will be your priority, no? At this time, Scorpio. You have ascension lift. Prepare for rapid spiritual growth. Be ready for opportunities. Ayan. Kasi it looks like yung opportunities that are coming your way ay maaaring that will be in support, no? For this purpose. Maaaring may mga oportunidad dito na makakatulong sa inyo para ma-carry out ninyo yung inyong purpose, no? Ito, sa ngayon. So, be on the lookout for those opportunities kasi the divine universe is already aligning siguro people, resources, or kung ano pa ang kakailanganin ninyo para ma-carry out ninyo ang inyong mission. Okay? We have divine portal, fulfill your destiny, be all you can be. And ito na yon. So, napakaganda kasi you will be feeling fulfilled, no? Because when you are doing your purpose talaga, Scorpio, you will be feeling fulfilled, satisfied, and you will be joyful, no? Kaya dito, sabi dito, fulfill your destiny. And you are, by doing this, no? By doing this, by carrying out your purpose and your mission in life sa ngayon, Scorpio, you will be feeling fulfilled, no? So definitely, mararamdaman ninyo yan. We have enlightenment. Look from the highest perspective. See the divine in everyone. So, most likely, Scorpio, maybe you will be, maybe you are needing some kind of enlightenment. Maaring ang iba sa inyo ay, maybe ang iba sa inyo ay nakakaramdam na hindi parang nahihirapan kayong intindihin ang mga bagay. Maybe nahihirapan kayong intindihin ang inyong sitwasyon sa ngayon. For some of you, maybe kailangan ninyo ng clarity, kailangan ninyo ng enlightenment at this time, no? So, possible na gano'n ang sitwasyon. But, kung anong kailangan ninyo, yan ay ibibigay sa inyo. Kung ano yung need ninyo at this time, yun ay ipapakita at ibibigay sa inyo ng universe. Okay? Kaya wag kayong mag-alala. We have a spiritual warrior. Show you are a wise leader. Command the universe. Ayan. So, ang purpose ninyo sa ngayon, Scorpio, is to be a leader. And you are going to be a compassionate leader. You're going to be a good leader. Itong dalawang ito, no, parang combination yan. And that is what your mission in life sa ngayon. Yan ang gagawin ninyo sa ngayon. You're going to be a wise leader. You're going to be an inspiration, a beacon for others. No, you are going to use your own light to find other people's light. No. You will be using your own light to help other people find their own light. So napakaganda. So what else? We have refreshing oasis, nurture yourself, gather your strength. Ayan, Scorpio. Maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito pagod na. Okay? Pagod na, maaaring um, siguro kailangan na ninyo ngayon na i-nurture ang inyong sarili, kailangan ninyo na mag-self-care, kailangan ninyo na mag-self-love, no? At this time, ay pakita ninyo sa inyong sarili ang pagmamahal ninyo by taking care of yourself, okay? So, ngayon, Scorpio, maaaring ang iba din sa inyo siguro iniimbitahan lang to nurture yourself para na maihanda ninyo ang inyong sarili para dito sa inyong mission. No? So maybe kailangan ninyo na alagaan ngayon ng extra ang inyong sarili para maging in good condition kayo, in good shape kayo, para kayo, you will be on top of your health, no? Dahil nga meron kayong mission na i-carry out. Kaya pinaghahanda na kayo ng universe, no? To gather your strength, okay? Tawag dito, magpaka-healthy na kayo, okay? So what else? We have new opportunities, declutter your life, glimpse a magical doorway. Ayan, so napakaganda. Parang kanina na-mention ko somewhere talaga na meron kayong opportunities na paparating, and this is it, no? Sinasabi din dito na there are new opportunities coming your way, kaya kailangan ninyo na mag-declutter kayo ng inyong sarili so that merong room, no, to make room for these new opportunities to come in sa buhay ninyo. So maybe kailangan nyo talaga na mag-retreat, magnilay-nilay, mag-reflection and introspection mode kayo para ma-figure out ninyo kung ano yung dapat tanggalin sa buhay ninyo, kung ano ang dapat alisin sa buhay ninyo. Okay? Para na malinis ang inyong sarili, malinis niyo ang buhay ninyo, kung ano man yung mga sitwasyon, bagay, or tao na na kailangan ng tanggalin sa buhay ninyo because it doesn't serve your highest good anymore. So, you may need to let them go now. Okay? Para na walang sagabal sa pagdating ng mga bagong opportunities na to. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.